बप्पा तू हमेशा मेरे साथ रहे। ओ मेरे सर पे हमेशा तेरा हाथ रहे। गणपति बप्पा तू हमेशा मेरे साथ रहे। ओ मेरे सर पे सदा तेरा हाथ रहे। गणपति बप्पा तू हमेशा मेरे साथ रहे, हमेशा मेरे साथ रहे। ओ मेरे सर पे सदा तेरा हाथ रहे, सर पे सदा तेरा हाथ रहे। गणपति बप्पा मेरा साथ रहे, मेरे सर पे हमेशा तेरा हाथ रहे। गणपति बप्पा तू हमेशा मेरे साथ रहे, मेरे सर पे हमेशा तेरा हाथ रहे। सारा जग ठुकराया है, गणपति बप्पा कदमों में तेरी फरियाद मेरी। सारा जग ने ठुकराया, तब आया मैं पास तेरी। करुणा का सागर, दया का भंडार, माँ की ममता तू ही पिता का प्यार है। ओ मेरे सर पे तेरा हाथ रहे, गणपति बप्पा तेरा हाथ रहे। गणपति बप्पा तेरा साथ रहे, हरदम मेरे सर पे तेरा साथ रहे। गणपति बप्पा तेरा हाथ रहे, हरदम मेरे सर पे तेरा हाथ रहे। ओम गणेशाय, जिसने भी रट लिया उन्होंने उसका घर भर दिया। अंधों को दिखाया तूने, लंगड़ों को दौड़ाया, बाझन को पुत्र दिया, कोढ़ियन को काया। मेरी नैया बीच में किनारा चाहिए, हो बप्पा मुझे बस इतना सहारा चाहिए। हो अंधेरे में भी जैसे चिराग जले, अंधेरे में भी जैसे चिराग जले। गणपति बप्पा तेरा साथ चले, गणपति बप्पा तेरा साथ चले। अंधेरे में जैसे चिराग जले, गणपति बप्पा तेरा साथ रहे। गणपति बप्पा तेरा साथ रहे, गणपति बप्पा तेरा साथ रहे।
श्रद्धा निष्ठा भक्ताः सर्वेषां कृते सुस्वागतं व्याहरामि। अस्मिन् महोत्सवे विराजमानाः श्रद्धा निष्ठा भक्त उन सभी का मैं सुस्वागतम करता हूँ। Once again, it is my privilege to extend a special and courteous welcome to everyone as we celebrate Navratri tonight. It is a pleasure to extend a gracious and cordial welcome to Dr. Winston Dukaran. We're deeply appreciative of your consideration and effort in attending our festival. We are truly delighted, and your presence here tonight is an honor. We welcome you once again, and we are grateful to have you participate in our celebration. Each night our festival receives coverage with Sankhya TV. So please tune in and enjoy. We are pleased to welcome our special guests, all those who have been with us throughout the years, and those who are new to our celebration. With our combined passion, when united, it creates the energy that allows this achievement of an awe-inspiring, glorious, magnificent Navratri celebration. Let us prepare ourselves, body, mind, and soul, as we withdraw our thoughts to celebrate the feminine divine as we worship Ma Durga. Let us focus our minds, clasp our hands, and we meditate upon her resplendent form. A cyclic tradition being practiced for thousands of years. Once again, in time, we honor the feminine divine, that energy principle that sustains every life form. That is described as Ma Durga. Focus your minds as we contemplate upon Sri Ganesha. Om Sri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Sri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Sri Guru Charana Kamalabhyo Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Akhanda Mandalakaram Vyaptam Yena Characharam Tatparam Darshitam Mena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitan Yena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Sthavaram Jangamam Vyaptam Yena Kritsnam Characharam Tatpadam Darshitam Mena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Chidrupena Parivyaptam Trilokyam Sacharacharam Tatpadam Darshitam Mena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Dhyanamoolam Gurur Murti Pujamulam Gurur Padam Mantramulam Gurur Vakyam Mokshamulam Gurur Kripa. Om Bhadram Karnebhi Shrunuyama Devaha भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्ट्वा देवहितं जदायुः। ॐ स्वस्तेन इन्द्रो बृहस्रवाः स्वस्तनपूखा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्तनस्तयक्षो आरिष्टनेमि स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शन्नो मित्रः शं वरुणः शन्नो भवत्वर्यमा शन्न इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शन्नो विष्णु रुरुक्रमः। नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। जय जय मैया लक्ष्मी जय गजवदन गणेश जय जय माता शारदे जय जय भारत देश। We honor the many gurus through Guru Parampara, the disciplic order of the sacred tradition of the Guru Student Disciplic Order. As those of the ancient, having given the torch of wisdom through the sacred Vedas, today we continue to share this knowledge as handed down from time immemorial in our sacred tradition. Let us all join together as we honor the sacred traditions of Guru Parampara. गुरु मेरे पूजा गुरु गोविंद गुरु मेरा पार ब्रह्म गुरु भगवंत। गुरु मेरे पूजा गुरु गोविंद गुरु मेरा पार ब्रह्म गुरु भगवंत। गुरु मेरे पूजा गुरु गोविंद गुरु मेरा पार ब्रह्म गुरु भगवंत। गुरु मेरे पूजा ब्रह्मा गुरु है विष्णु गुरु है देवो माहेश्वर गुरु है ब्रह्मा गुरु है विष्णु गुरु है देवो माहेश्वर गुरु है साक्षात परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः गुरु है ब्रह्मा गुरु है विष्णु गुरु है देवो माहेश्वर गुरु है साक्षात परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः गुरु मेरे पूजा गुरु गोविंद गुरु मेरा पार ब्रह्म गुरु भगवंत गुरु मेरे पूजा गुरु गोविंद गुरु मेरा पार ब्रह्म गुरु भगवंत गुरु मेरे पूजा श्री गणपतिर्जयति ओम अस्य श्री नवारण मंत्रस्य ब्रह्म विष्णु रुद्रा ऋषयः गायत्रुष्णिक अनुश्चुप छंदांसि श्री महाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वत्यो देवता ऐं बीजं ह्रीं शक्ति क्लीं कीलकं श्री महाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती प्रीत्यर्थे जपे विनियोगः ब्रह्म विष्णु रुद्र ऋषिभ्यो नमः शिरसि गायत्रुष्णिक अनुश्चुप छंदोभ्यो नमः मुखे महाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती देवताभ्यो नमः हृदि ऐं बीजाय नमः गुह्ये ह्रीं शक्तये नमः पादयोः क्लीं कीलाय नमः नाभौ ॐ ऐं अंगुष्ठाभ्यां नमः ॐ ह्रीं तर्जनीभ्यां नमः ॐ क्लीं मध्यमाभ्यां नमः ॐ चामुण्डायै अनामिकाभ्यां नमः ॐ बिच्चे कनिष्ठिकाभ्यां नमः ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै बिच्चे करतल करपृष्ठाभ्यां नमः ॐ ऐं हृदयाय नमः ॐ ह्रीं शिरसे स्वाहा ॐ क्लीं शिखायै वषट ॐ चामुण्डायै कवचाय हुम। ओम बिच्चे नेत्रत्रयायै वौषट। ओम ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे अस्त्राय फट। ओम ऐं शिखायाम। ओम ह्रीं दक्षिण नेत्रे। ओम ह्रीं क्लीं वाम नेत्रे। ओम चाम नमः दक्षिण कर्णे। ओम मुम नमः वाम कर्णे। ओम दाम नमः दक्षिण नासापुटे। ओम यैं नमः वामनासापुटे। ओम विं नमः मुखे। ओम चैं नमः गुह्ये। ओम ऐं प्राच्यै नमः। ओम ऐं आग्नेयै नमः। ओम ह्रीं दक्षिणायै नमः। ओम ह्रीं नैऋत्यै नमः। ओम क्लीं प्रतीच्यै नमः। ओम क्लीं वायव्यै नमः। ओम चामुण्डायै उदीच्यै नमः। ओम चामुण्डायै ऐशान्यै नमः। ओम ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे ऊर्ध्वायै नमः। ओम ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे नमः। We meditate upon that resplendent form. As we use our eyes, it is called darshan, to gaze. But it means that we are soaking in through our eyes the energies of that universal consciousness, the cause of the universe, its sustaining principle. Without a beginning, that force which is unborn, described as the feminine divine, meditate upon her resplendent form and become energized. Dhyanam khangam chakrakadeshu chapa parighan shulam bhushundim shiraha शंखं संधदतीं करैस्त्रिनयनां सर्वांगभूषावृतां नीलाश्मद्युतिमास्य पाददशकां सेवे महाकालिकां यामस्तौ स्वपिते हरौ कमलजो हन्तुं मधुं कैटभम्. Let us now fill our hearts with the ecstasy of love in devotional kirtan to glorify that Lord through katha and kirtan is to connect our minds, connect our energies, the individual consciousness with the supreme universal consciousness. Let us offer ourselves in prayer. Hare Rama Rama Ram, Sita Ram Ram Ram. Hare Rama Rama Ram, Sita हरे राम 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 सीता राम 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 हरे राम 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 सीता राम 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 हरे राम 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 सीता राम 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 together राम 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 सीता राम 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 सीता राम 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 सीता राम 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 सीता राम 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 हरे 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 राम 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 सीता राम 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 सीता राम 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 हरे राम 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 सीता राम 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 हरे राम 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 सीता राम 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 सीता राम 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 सीता राम 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 सीता राम 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 To recite the Devi Kavacham, the shield, the armor of the Devi, is to put on that protection. The verses invoke individual Shaktis who together represent the full array of the Devi's protective energies residing in the human body. We have introduced to you the theme and central story of the Durga Saptashati, the 700 verses, which glorify Bhagavati Durga. There, a king by the name of Raja Surat has lost his kingdom. He ruled the planet Earth, but was conquered by his enemies. Ultimately, he is betrayed by his own ministers. He loses everything and he goes into exile. There, he encounters a merchant, a businessman. His name is Samadhi. They both will approach a rishi, a seer. His name is Medha. He will introduce them both to Ma Chandika, the universal mother. He will describe to them, as we have done, the battles fought against the Asuras, those who oppose righteousness. Sur means the Devas, Asur means the unrighteous, the ungodly. The mother, through the combined light energy shaktis of all the Devas, this energy coalesces and Ma Chandika appears. Duplicate weapons of their own are given to her. She enters into battle, and there the army of the Asuras and their commanding forces, the main Asura, Mahishasur, is destroyed. Each night we commence with the touching of the limbs, which is called Anganyas. Through the recital of the corresponding mantras, our limbs are energized. For these mantras are not just words, but they are letters set in an appropriate pattern that creates a resonance. We have brought to you the recital of the sacred and divine Kavacham, Durga Mata's protective shield. Together we have brought to you that which is called the Arghala, the bolt, and the recital of the Kilakam, the pin. When the armor is placed, the bolt is fastened, and then it is locked tight with the pin. These three have been presented to you tonight. We bring to you the sacred meaning of the sacred and divine shield, the sacred kavach, that armor that protects the mother. Seeing the mother coming into being, last night we too felt the ecstasy of that love as Surya Narayana bestowed upon her infinite rays of his resplendent form that entered into her pores. She shone like 1,000 suns put together. Markandeya, assuming the role of a disciple, asked Lord Brahma to reveal the supreme secret. This secret we impart to you. This secret which was given From time immemorial, this we impart to you. The secret of the sacred armor of the mother. The protective energies are invoked throughout the body, starting at the crown of the head and working downwards. The shikha, or the tuft of hair on the top of the head, is linked with the Bij mantra Hri as the protection force, that protecting force, by invoking the sacred mantra and by its touch. Here we are taught the word pran comes from the word pranava, and pranava means the sacred sound symbol Om. A, U, Ma forms the sacred sound Om, which is the sound form of God. Pran means vital life force. The term pran denotes 5 in number: pran, apan, saman, vyan, and udan. When we offer prasadam as a food for the divinity, for the devas, it is described as purified offerings. After the offering is made, 5 hand gestures are presented: pran, apan, vyan, udan, saman. When we partake of food, we are also reciting these 5 mantras. Pran denotes respiration. Apan denotes elimination. Saman denotes digestion, the assimilation of nutrients and the circulation of blood. Vyan means pervading the body, governs the nervous system, speech and conscious action. Udan regulates growth and body heat. So each time we sit to eat, the traditional pundits will tell you, have 5 morsels of food, then drink a little water, and your meal commences. It is feeding these 5 pranas responsible for vitality and body function, one's metabolism. The protective Shakti is Vajrahasti, she who holds the thunderbolt in her hand. The mother who blesses us with health, strength, one who protects our minds from mental ailments. Devi Mahatam describes 3 Shaktis. These 3 Shaktis preside over, as is described in Ayurveda, Pitta, which is bile, of which the chief quality is heat, Vata, wind, and Kapha, phlegm, of which the chief quality is cold. this aspect of medicine is not present in Western practice. Then the five senses, taste, sight, smell, hearing and touch, are protected by Ma Yogini. The three gunas, Sattvagun, Rajogun and Tamogun. Sattvagun is knowledge or Jnana, Rajogun action or Kriya, and Tamogun desire or Ichcha. The Shakti is Narayani, the Devi as the ultimate goal of all humanity. Our lifespan, the conduct of life, and the rewards of living in accordance with Dharma can only become a fulfillment when these energies are activated through the recital of a disciplined method given as is prescribed in the Devi Kavacham. Here, tonight, we bring to you this entire Kavacham, and I ask, may you feel as the mother's form came into being as a combination of the light energy Shaktis of all the Devas. May you too feel those energies as each Shakti is being identified to every part of this anatomy. That truly this body is the temple of God would be recognized by placing this sacred armor, the shield of the mother that protects your being, physical, mental and spiritual. As we place this armor, let us glorify that Lord Shiva Shambhu. Shiva Shiva Shambhu, Har 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 Shambhu. Shiva 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 Shambhu, Har 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 Shambhu. Shiva 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 Shambhu, Har 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 Shambhu. Shiva 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 Shambhu, Bholenath Shambhu. Shiva 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 Shambhu, Bholenath Shambhu. Shiva 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 Shambhu, Bholenath Shambhu. Shiva 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 Shambhu, Mahadeva Shambhu. Shiva 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 Shambhu, Vishwanath शंभो शिव 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 शंभो विश्वनाथ शंभो शिव 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 शंभो महादेव शंभो टुगेदर शिव 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 शंभो महादेव शंभो शिव 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 शंभो महादेव शंभो शिव 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 शंभो गंगाधारी शंभो शिव 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 शंभो गंगाधारी शंभो शिव 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 शंभो भोलेनाथ शंभो शिव 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 शंभो भोलेनाथ शंभो शिव 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 शंभो भोलेनाथ शंभो शिव 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 शंभो जटाधारी शंभो शिव 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 शंभो महादेव शंभो शिव 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 शंभो भोलेनाथ शंभो ओम अस्य श्री चंडी कवचस्य ब्रह्मा ऋषिः अनुष्टुप् छन्दः चामुण्डा देवता अंगन्यासो मातरो बीजं दिग्बन्ध देवतास्तत्वं श्री जगदम्बा प्रीत्यर्थे सप्तशती पादंगत्वेन जपे विनियोगः ओम नमश्चंडिकाय ovations to the formidable one ओम यद गुह्यम परमं लोके सर्वरक्षाकरं नृणां यन्यकस्य चिताख्यातं ब्रह्मी तन्मे ब्रूहि पितामह that which is the supreme secret of this world, affording every protection to humankind, which is not told to anyone. Tell me that, O Grandsire. Here, Markandeya speaks and questions Lord Brahma. Brahma replies, Brahmovacha. There is a most hidden secret, O wise one, beneficial to all beings. The holy armor of Bhagavati, Ma Durga. Hear of it, O great sage. Pratamam Shailaputri cha, Dvitiyam Brahmacharini, Tritiyam Chandraghanteti, Kushmandeti Chaturudhakam. First, she is called Shailaputri. Second, Brahmacharini. Third, Chandraghanta. Fourth, Kushmanda. Fifth, Skandamata. Sixth, Katyayani. Seventh, Kalaratri. Eighth, Mahagauri. 9. She is Siddhidhatri. The 9 Durgas are revealed. The noble Brahma has spoken their names. To listen to these verses, to speak of these verses, that which was given by Lord Brahma himself. The ninth is the bestower of all auspiciousness, all accomplishments. These are known as the 9 forms of the goddess Durga, the slayer of the demon Mahisha. Agnina dahyamanastu shatru madhye gatorne Bishame durgame chaiva bhayata sharanam gada. Being burnt by fire, surrounded by enemies, in battlefield, caught in the most adverse crisis or paralyzed by fear. If people seek refuge in Bhagavati Durga, nothing inauspicious will happen. And in the most critical circumstances of warfare or battle, one will never see calamity, grief or distress. Yaistu bhaktya smitanunam tesham vriddhi prajayate ye tvam smaranti deveshi rakshase natra sanshaya. Those who remember her always with devotion will surely win success. O Supreme Devi, you protect those who remember you. Of that there is no doubt. Preta sanstatu chamunda barahi mahishasana Aindri gaja samarudha Vaishnavi garudhasana. Standing upon a corpse is Chamunda. Seated on a buffalo is Varahi, the female form of the avatar Vara. Mounted on an elephant is Aindri. Seated on Garuda is Vaishnavi, the female counterpart of Vishnu. Maheshwari Brisharudha Kaumari Shikivahana Lakshmi Padmasana Devi Padmahasta Hari Priya. The female form of Narasingh Bhagwan, Narasinghi, is great valor. Shivaduti is great in might. Mounted on a bull is Maheshwari, and born on a peacock is Kaumari, the female aspect of Kartikeya called Kumar. Shweta Rupadhara Devi Ishwari Vrishavahana Brahmi Hansa Samarudha Sarva Bharana Bhushita. Seated upon a lotus, with lotus in hand, is Lakshmi, the goddess beloved of Lord Vishnu, and the sovereign Devi who is born on a bull, pure white, in the form of purity. Idyeta matara sarva, sarva yoga samanvita, nana bharana shobhadya, nana ratnopashobhita. Brahmi, adorned with all her jewels, rides upon a swan. These are the mothers, all united together. Drishyante ratamarudha, Debya Krodha, Samakula, Shankam Chakram Gada Shaktim, Halam Cha Musulayudham, Ketakam Tumaram Chaiva, Parashum Pashameva Cha, Kuntayudham Trishulam Cha, Shargamayudham Uttamam. These goddesses, Devis, sitting in their chariots, are seething with anger for slaying the bodies of the demons, for instilling fearlessness among devotees, and for ensuring welfare of the devas. they can be seen wielding the conch, discus, mace, missile, all divine weapons. Namastestu Maharodre, Mahaghora Parakrame, Mahabale Mahotsahe, Mahabhaya Vinashini. O the formidable one of the fierce prowess, we pay obeisance to you. You are the mightiest, the great energy and the great destroyer of fear. Trahimam Devi Dushprikshe Shatrunam Bhayavardhini Pracham Rakshatu Mam Indri Agneyam Agni Devata Dakshine Vatu Varahi Nairityam Khatkadharini Praticham Varuni Rakshe Vayabhyam Mrigamahini. These are the various names given which describes Bhagavati Devi's function. It is difficult, O Devi, to behold your form, is it? It is not. For such is your dazzling effulgence. You spell terror among the enemies. Please protect us. May the consort of Indra, Indrani, protect us from the east. May Bhagavati, called the mother of fire, protect us in the southeast. In the south, may the consort Varahi protect us. May the wielder of the sword protect us in the southwest. In the west, may the consort of Varuna, Varuni, protect us. May the Devi, whose mount is a deer, protect me in the northwest. May the consort of Kumar, Kartikeya, Kaumari, protect us in the north. In the northeast, may the wielder of the pike protect us. May we be protected from above by the consort of Brahma, Brahmani, and from below by the consort of Vishnu, Vaishnavi. Evam dasha disho rakshet chamunda shavavahana jaya me chagrata patu vijaya patu prishtataha. Likewise, may the slayer of Chandan moon protect us from all the 10 directions. May Jaya, conqueror, may Jaya protect us from the front and Vijaya protect us from behind. Ajita Vama Parshvetu Dakshine Chaparajita Shikamudyotini Rakshet Uma Mukti Vyavastita Maladhari Lalatecha Bhruvo Rakshet Yashaswini Trinetracha Bhruvor Madhye Yamaghanta Nasike Shankini Chakshishor Madhye Srotayor Dvaravasini Kapolao Kalika Rakshet Karnamule Tushankari Nasikayam Sugandhacha Uttaroshtet Charchika Adhare Chamrita Kala Jivayam Cha Saraswati. May the invincible Ajita Devi protect me from the left, and the Aparajita Devi, unconquerable one, from the right. May the ever Dyotini protect my Shikha, the turf of the hair of my head, and Uma, the splendid consort of Shiva, protect us. May Dyotini guide us. May Trinetra abide in my eyes. May Yamaghanta in my nostril. May Trinetra protect me with a trident, and Chandika dwell between my eyebrows. Shankini Chakshishor Madhye Srotayor Dvaravasini Kapolao Kalika Rakshet Karnamule Tushankari. As we mention each name and their corresponding faculties feel the presence of her being entering and protecting you as a shield, as her armor. May Shankini abide between my eyes and Dwaravasini upon my ears. May Kalika guard my cheeks and Shankari protect within my ears. Nasikayam sugandhacha Uttaroshtet charchika Adhare chamritakala Jivayam cha saraswati. And may Sugandha protect my nostrils. May Charchika abide on my upper lip, Amrit Bala on my lower lip, and Saraswati on my tongue. Dantan rakshatu kaumari Kantadeshe tu chandika Ghantikam chitra ghantacha Mahamaya cha taluke. May Kaumari protect our teeth and Chandika my throat. May Chitraghanta my Yuvala and Mahamaya abide in my palate. Kamakshi chibukam rachet Bacham me sarvamangala Grivayam bhadrakali cha Prishtabanche dhanurdhari. May Kamakshi guard my chin. Sarvamangala my voice. Bhadrakali my neck, and Dhanurdhari my spine. These are the names of the many forms of Bhagavati that preside in the human body, protecting us, energizing us. We must meditate upon her, and through such discipline we will feel her being resonating. We will feel her presence, and we will be able to align our consciousness, our vibration, our lives, our physicality, our mental and emotional being with a higher awareness. Therefore, connect with her through Katha, through Kirtan, as we do each year. We celebrate together during the Navratri festival, the feminine divine. Shiva Kailaso ke Vasi, Dhauli Dharo ke Raja, Shankar Sankat Harana. Shiva Kailaso ke Vasi, Dhauli Dharo ke Raja, Shankar Sankat Harana. Shankar Sankat Harana. Shiva Kailaso ke Vasi, Dhauli Dharo ke Raja, Shankar Sankat Harana. Shankar Sankat Harana. O Bhole Baba, Shankar Sankat Harana. कैलाशों का अंत न पाया, तेरे कैलाशों का अंत न पाया, अंत बेअंत तेरी माया। ओ भोले बाबा, अंत बेअंत तेरी माया। की पतिया भांग धतूरा, बेल की पतिया भांग धतूरा, शिव जी की मन को लुभाए। ओ भोले बाबा शिव जी की मन को लुभाए। शंकर संकट हरणा, शंकर संकट हरणा, ओ भोले बाबा शंकर संकट हरणा। शिव कैलासो के वासी धौली धारो के राजा, शंकर संकट हरणा, शंकर संकट हरणा, ओ भोले बाबा शंकर संकट हरणा, शंकर संकट हरणा। नीलग्रीवा वही कंठे नलिकां नलकूवरी, स्कंदयो खंगिनी रक्षेत बाहु में भद्रधारिणी। May Nilagriva abide outside of my throat and Nalakubari within. May Khagini guard my shoulders and Bhadradharini my arms. Hastayor Dandini Rakshet Ambika Changuli Shucha, Nakhan Shuleshwari Rakshet Kukshau Rakshet. May Dandini guard my hands. May Ambika abide in my fingers. May Suleshwari guard my nails and Nareshwari my abdomen. Stanau Rakshen Mahadevi Manashoka Vinashini, Hridaye Lalita Devi Udare Shuladharini. May Mahadevi protect my chest. May Shoka Vinashini my mind. May Lalita Devi protect my heart and Shuladharini my stomach. Nabhaucha Kamini Rakshet Guhyam Guhyeshwari Tatha. May Kamini guard my navel, Guhyeshwari my private parts. May Bhagavati guard and protect my hips, Meghavahana my thighs, Mahabala my shanks, and Madhava Madhavanayika my knees. May Narasinghi protect the ankles, Kaushiki the heels, Sridhari our toes, and Patalavasani the sole of my feet. Nakhan Danstra Karalicha Keshans Chayor Keshini Roma Kupesha Kauberi Twacham Vagishwari Tadha. May Damstrakali guard my toenails, Urdhakeshini my hair. May Kaumari protect my paws and Yogeshwari protect my skin. Raktamajjavasamasyan Astimedansi Parvati Antrani Kalaratrischa Pittamcha Mukuteshwari. May Ma Parvati protect my blood, bone marrow, lymph, flesh, bones and fat. May Kalaratri protect our intestines and Mukuteshwari my bile. Padmavati Padmakoshe Kape Chudamani Statha Jwala Mukhi Nakhat Jwalam Abhedya Sarvasandhishu. May Padmavati protect our lungs and Chudamani my phalm. May Jwalamukhi protect the luster of our nails and Abhedya dwell in every joint. Shukram Brahmani me rakshet Chayam Chhatreshwari tatha Ahankaram Manobuddhim Rakshen me Dharma Dharini. May Brahmani guard and protect my semen. May Chhatreshwari my shadow. May Dharma Dharini protect my ego, mind and intellect. Prana, Panav, Tatha, Vyanam, Udanam cha Samanakam, Bhadrahasta cha me rakshet, Pranan Kalyana Shobhana. Likewise, my breath, Pran, Apan, elimination, digestion, nervous system and body heat. May Bhadrahasta, who sparkles with auspicious beauty, guard these and my vital forces. Rase rupe cha gandhe cha, shabde sparshe cha yogini, sattvam rajastamaschaiva, rakshet narayani sada. May yogini abide in my taste, protect my power of taste, smell, sound, touch, and may Narayani ever protect my knowledge, my action and desire. Ayu rakshatu barahi, dharmam rakshatu vaishnavi, yashat kirti cha lakshmi cha, dhanam vidyam cha chakrini. May Barahi protect the span of my allotted life. May Parvati protect my virtue. May Vaishnavi protect always my honor, reputation, prosperity, wealth, wisdom and prestige. Gotram Indrani me rakshet, Pashun me raksha Chandike, Putran rakshen Mahalakshmi, Bharyam rakshatu Bhairavi. May Indrani guard and protect my lineage, and may Chandika my animals. May Mahalakshmi protect my children and Bhairavi my spouse. May Dhaneshwari guard my wealth, and Kaumari my young daughters. May Supatha guard my way, my path, my travels, and Khemakari protect our destination. May Mahalakshmi protect the entrance to our home. May Vijaya be ever abiding, that which remains excluded and wanting for protection by this armor. All that may you, O Bhagavati, protect, O Devi, who conquer and destroy all evil at all times. Should one invoke this holy and sacred armor that affords all protection, this secret I have revealed. O wise one, by reason of your devotion, if one seeks his own well-being, one should not take a single step unclothed by this armor, this protective shield. Wherever one goes, it must be placed upon by listening to it or by reciting it. It provides immense protection. Everywhere one will venture out, victory will be his. Yam yam chintayate kamam tam tam prapto tinischitam paramaishwaryamatulam prapsyate bhutale puman. Whatever desire he contemplates, that will he surely obtain. Yam yam chintayate kamam tam tam praptoti nishchitam. That person will attain unequal supremacy on this earth. Paramaishwaryamatulam prapsyate bhutale puman. Nirbhayo jayate martya sangrameshva parajita. Trailokye tu bhavet pujyah kavachena britah puman. That mortal will become fearless and unvanquished in battle. That person clad in this armor will become worshipable in the three worlds. Idam tu debhya kavacham devanam api durlabham yapathet prayato nityam trisandhyam shraddhayanvitah. This armor of the Devi is difficult even for the devas to obtain. This armor is given to humanity. He who recites it at dawn, noon and dusk, intent on devotion and possessed of faith, Devi kala bhavetasya Trailoke cha parajitah Jivet varshashatam sagram Apamrityu vivarjitah. Such will attain a portion of the divine and remain unconquered in the three worlds. Such a person will live for a full 100 years untouched by sudden or accidental death. Nashyanti vyadaya sarve luta visphotakadayah stavaram jangamam chaiva kritrimam chapi yadvisham abhicharani sarvani mantrayantrani bhutale bhuchara khechara chaiva kulaja chapadeshika. All his ailments will vanish. Skin infections, eruptions, and every other aspect of ailments, along with all manner of natural poisons and those of human deception through spells, incantation, and magical charms of this world. Those creatures that go upon the earth, move through the air, and dwell in the waters, be they induced by others, self-arisen or family born, the Dakini, the Shakini, and such, the terrible howling Dakinis that move through the atmosphere, the spirits that possesses, fiends and apparitions, ghosts, demons and ghouls, the undead, spirits of terror and the like, all those perish at the sight of him who is clad in this armor. The king will hold him high in regard, and the spreading of his glory will know no bounds. Sahaja kula jamala dakini shakini tatha antariksha chara ghora dakinischa mahabala grahabhuta pisachascha yaksha gandharva rakshasa brahma rakshasa vetala kushmanda bhairavadaya nashyanti darshanatasya kavachena brito hidah mano natir bhaved ragyas tejo bridhi para bhaved यशो वृद्धिर भवेत् पुंसां कीर्ति वृद्धिश्च जायते तस्मात् जपेत् सदा भक्तः कवचम कामदं मुने. Increased renown will be his and his fame will be exalted. For this reason the devotee should always recite this wish fulfilling armor, O wise one. Japet Saptashatim Chandim Kritva tu Kavacham Pura Nirvignen Bhavet Siddhe Chandi Japa Samudbhava. Having first done this, that person should recite the Chandi of 700 verses. Without interruption, that person should accomplish this recital of the Chandi, which is called the scriptural reading or Chandi part. Yavat bhu mandalam dhatte sashaila vanakananam tavat tishtati medinyam santati putra pautriki. As long as the earth's globe with its mountains, forests and groves endures. Yavat bhu mandalam dhatte sashailavana kananam. So long will his continuity through sons and grandsons last on this earth. Dehante paramam sthanam yat surairapi durlabham prapnoti purusho nityam mahamaya prasadataha. Such a person at death, dehante, at the end of this deha, dehante paramam sthanam, at death, such a person through Mahamaya's grace will attain the supreme eternal state, greatly difficult for even the devas to reach. Tatra gacchati gatvasau punascha gamanam nahi labhate paramam sthanam shivena samatam braje. Such a person will go there to the abode of the Devi, and having gone there shall surely never return to the world of mortals. Such a person will attain the supreme state and become one and merge in her absolute divine consciousness. Boli Sri Adi Shakti Jagadambika Mata Ki Jai. This is the sacred and secret armor, the divine shield as described by Lord Brahma. This is a rare secret conferred unto you as it is conferred each year during this period where we celebrate the advent of Bhagavati, her manifestation. Understanding its cyclic nature, understanding the rhythm. This rhythm means the rhythm and cyclic order of life. So rhythm means rhythm, which presents orderliness to life. And when we can align our lives with this cyclic orderliness, to understand that life is not just physicality, but there is a greater energy, an energy that sustains, an energy that preserves, an energy that creates, and that energy reabsorbs. It is the pulsating energy force that causes us to speak, to listen, to contemplate, to glorify. It is that energy, it is that principle, that consciousness within that animates matter. It is all pervasive. It is not limited to one place. Therefore, to the Universal Mother, the feminine divine, we have given ourselves in loving devotion May all be blessed as you return to your homes tonight. May you take with you these energies and feel that transformation to lift your awareness and expand your understanding of the supreme universal divinity. Let us join once again as we glorify that Lord Shiva Shambhu. शिव शिव शंभो हर 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 शंभो शिव 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 शंभो हर 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 शंभो शिव 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 शंभो भोलेनाथ शंभो शिव 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 शंभो भोलेनाथ शंभो शिव 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 शंभो जटाधारी शंभो शिव शिव शंभो विश्वनाथ शंभो शिव 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 शंभो विश्वनाथ शंभो शिव शिव शंभो जटाधारी शंभो शिव 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 शंभो भोलेनाथ शंभो शिव 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 शंभो together भोलेनाथ शंभो शिव 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 शंभो महादेव 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 शंभो शिव 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 शंभो शंभो जटाधारी शंभो शिव 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 शंभो महादेव शंभो शिव 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 शंभो जटाधारी शंभो शिव 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 शंभो जटाधारी शंभो शिव 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 शंभो महादेव शंभो शिव 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 शंभो जटाधारी शंभो शिव 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 शंभो महादेव शंभो शिव 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 शंभो जटाधारी शंभो The mother plays. She rocks the boat, giving an impression that she is tilting it. Sometimes she does tilt it. On other occasions, she stops short. But all the while, she holds that boat, the boat of life, your life. She plays unceasingly, and she does so in her own discipline. She pushes a person to the precipice and then brings him back, so that as her instrument, that person may perform the task that she has chosen for him, that she has chosen for us in this life. In both pushing and pulling back, she only dispenses her grace and her compassion. But man, blinded by false ego, when an individual assumes the arrogance of learning and wisdom, and like a fool believes that it is he who is the doer. Ahankar vimurthatma karta aham iti manyate. The mother decides, deciding to restore that person to his essential humanity, pushes him gently but firmly enough to send him to the precipice. Since, however, she is the mother of the universe, and a bad child may sometimes be born, but there is never a bad mother. She brings us back. She brings us back, leaving us with the realization that we are just the instrument, Nimitramatra. And even in assigning the task, she identifies the priorities, taking upon herself the burden of decision, but never allowing you to fall over that precipice. She's there pushing as well as pulling. We pray, may you be blessed, may you be guided, and may we all continue to celebrate Ma Bhagavati, the feminine divine. Boli Sri Adi Shakti Jagadambika Mata Ki Jai. Let us all stand. आदत बुरी सुधार हो हो गया भजन, हो गया भजन, हो गया भजन। आदत बुरी सुधार लो बस, हो गया भजन। आदत बुरी सुधार लो बस, हो गया भजन, हो गया भजन, हो गया भजन। Those who would like to offer the arati, you are welcome to do so. आदत बुरी सुधार लो बस, हो गया भजन, हो गया भजन, हो गया भजन। दृष्टि में तेरी खोट है, दुनिया निहार ले। दृष्टि में तेरी खोट है, दुनिया निहार ले। गुरु ज्ञान अंजन सार लो बस, हो गया भजन। ज्ञान अंजन सार लो बस, हो गया भजन, हो गया भजन, हो गया भजन। दुनिया तुम्हें बुरा कहे पर तुम करो क्षमा। दुनिया तुम्हें बुरा कहे पर करो क्षमा। पानी को भी संभाल लो बस, हो गया भजन। को भी संभाल लो बस, हो गया भजन, हो गया भजन, हो गया भजन। ऋषियों की तीव्र आग में जलता ही जा रहा। ऋषियों की तीव्र आग में जलता ही जा रहा। मन की तरंग मार लो बस, की तरंग मार लो बस, हो गया हो गया भजन, हो गया भजन। श्री राधा, हमारो मन राधा श्री राधा, श्री राधा, हमारो मन राधा श्री राधा, श्री राधा, हमारो मन राधा श्री राधा, श्री राधा। Lift your voices, give it to the mother, give your heart, your being, your consciousness, your minds, your faculties. It is hers. We are embodiments of enlightenment. We are spiritual beings having a human body. Spiritual beings having a human experience. हमारो मन राधा श्री राधा, श्री राधा, हमारो मन राधा श्री राधा, श्री राधा, हमारो तन राधा श्री राधा, श्री राधा, हमारो तन राधा श्री राधा, श्री राधा, हमारो मन together. हमारो मन, मन means mind, tan means body, dhan means wealth, all given by Ma, by Bhagavati to you, her children, to enjoy. We give it as an offering at her feet. Bless this body of ours, bless our minds, and bless our abilities. हमारो मन राधा श्री राधा, श्री राधा, हमारो मन राधा श्री राधा, हमारो मन राधा श्री राधा, श्री राधा। Let us give her our body. हमारो तन राधा श्री राधा, श्री राधा, हमारो तन राधा श्री राधा, श्री राधा, हमारो तन राधा श्री राधा, श्री राधा। Let us give her our minds. हमारो मन राधा श्री राधा, श्री राधा, हमारो मन राधा श्री राधा, श्री राधा। Let us give her our wealth. हमारो धन राधा श्री राधा, श्री राधा, हमारो तन राधा श्री राधा, श्री राधा। Finally, we surrender this body to her, this body apparatus that we identify with. हमारो तन राधा श्री राधा, श्री राधा, हमारो तन राधा श्री राधा, give it to her. हमारो तन राधा श्री राधा, become absorbed in the ecstasy of kirtan. हमारो तन राधा श्री राधा, श्री राधा, हमारो तन राधा, feel the emotions and the tears flowing through your eyes. Connected, connected. हमारो तन राधा श्री राधा, श्री राधा, हमारो तन राधा। Behold the mother in her effulgence and connect. हमारो तन राधा श्री राधा, श्री राधा, हमारो तन राधा श्री राधा, श्री राधा।
तन राधा श्री राधा श्री राधा, हमारो तन राधा श्री राधा श्री राधा, हमारो तन राधा श्री राधा, हमारो तन राधा श्री 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 राधा श्री राधा। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव, त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव, त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देवा। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। बोले श्री आर शक्ति दुर्गा माता की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, सब संतन की जय, सब भक्तन की जय। जय जय सीताराम, जय जय राधे श्याम, नमः पार्वती पतये, हर हर महादेव, शंभो।
स्वीकार करो जगदम्बे माँ मेरी आरती, स्वीकार करो जगदम्बे माँ मेरी आरती, स्वीकार करो जगदम्बे माँ मेरी आरती। भक्तों न जाने पल पल तुमको पुकार रे, स्वीकार करो जगदम्बे माँ मेरी आरती। भक्तों न जाने पल पल तुम ही पुकार रे, स्वीकार करो जगदम्बे माँ मेरी आरती, स्वीकार करो जगदम्बे सांसों के दागा आश न माला, नैनों के दीपक में प्यार है माना। सांसों के धागा आश न माला, नैनों के दीपक में प्यार मैंने माला। पानी को ममता, पानी को ममता, नजरों नजरे उतार दे, उतार दे जगदम्बे माँ मेरी आरती, स्वीकार करो जगदम्बे माँ मेरी आरती। तो ही द्वार तेरे आया। हीरे न लाया मोती न लाया, खाली हाथों ही द्वार तेरे आया। ज्योति आनंद तेरी, ज्योति आनंद तेरी, सबके ही जीवन सवार के। स्वीकार करो जगदम्बे करो जगदम्बे माँ मेरी आरती। चोली भर भर जाते हैं बादल, कम नहीं होता है सागर के काजल। चोली पर जाते हैं बादल, कम नहीं हो तो है ते काजल। सबके भरी, सबकी भरी झली, पार सभी को संभालती। स्वीकार करो जगदम्बे माँ मेरी आरती। स्वीकार करो जगदम्बे माँ मेरी आरती। भक्तों न जाना पल पल तुमको पुकार रे। स्वीकार करो जगदम्बे माँ मेरी आरती। स्वीकार करो जगदम्बे माँ मेरी आरती। स्वीकार करो जगदम्बे।